Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitter account, currently X platform. First thing first, let's launch the X app. Then you want to click on the top left corner where is your profile picture. Then you want to scroll down and click on settings and support. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then you want to click on the first option, which is account, your account. You click on your account, and the last option that you will have available is deactivate your account. You want to click on it, and you will see that if you deactivate your account, the process will simply mean that your username, the public profile, will no longer be viewable. This means that people who followed you will not be able to look at your account even though they followed you. Your content will not be on the platform anymore. And then if you change your mind, if you decide to go back to the platform, you will have 30 days. What this even means: you can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So for example, if you click deactivate today and then you change your mind after 30 days period from today, your account will be gone. You're not going to be able to recover your account. But if you actually come back to the platform and essentially log in back, you will be able to do so. Again, very important, if you have any active paid subscription premium account on X platform, remember the verification and all the other bells and whistles, you can manage these subscriptions through the platform where you originally subscribed. So essentially, twitter.com will automatically cancel or deactivate your account. Very, very important. If you just want to change your username, you don't need to deactivate your account. Understand how they actually did it. So they try to touch on the main points where people might do some changes on their account, but they simply can't, and they think that they have to deactivate the account. Also, they suggest that if you really want to deactivate the account, it is a good idea for you to download your data from X. And again, they're mentioning that you will need to complete both the request and the download process before deactivating the account, meaning that you cannot simply deactivate and then go back and try to get the data. First, you get the data, you make the request to get the data, you gather the data, then you go back, and if you still want to deactivate, you click deactivate account. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.